house.
This is my house.
Got 2002 Toyota Hiace. What else about it? Short wheel drive, but that's okay. There's plenty of room. Come check it out. Please come in. I want a close up. We've got his and hers. My side, most important, has most of the shared stuff, so it's more like hers and theirs, and some of his. Also his. In here, we've got the clothes, we've got the toothpaste, we've got the mirror, very important. In the middle, you see the electronics section. Come take a look. And then in here, we have Leon's shit. Boxes, Yu-Gi-Oh boxes, and some wipes, all of your belongings, and a towel. Really nicely decorated. We added this installation when we bought it. Here's what it looked like before. Now to the main event. We've got a luxurious queen size bed that transforms into a table. Welcome to the office, the dining room and the study. Here we have a very nice table transformed into a bed, a very comfortable sofa, and the benefit is you can actually sit up in here if you're not Leon. I think you can. What else is there to talk about in here?
Curtains.
We have curtains, and as you can see, we have plenty of room for activities such as Pamela workouts or playing guitar. Came with a lovely tapestry with some fairy lights and some Grecian fake plants. Really is a very beautiful van. Welcome to the kitchen. This is where the magic happens every night. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's windy, sometimes the gas runs out. Come take a look. In here we have an ant, all the cutlery, some bread, only the finest quality from the warehouse. Now this is where the magic happens. You drop it down, boom, we have a cooker. You scratch the sides. Here's the pantry, full of all the best beans, peanut butter, tomato sauce, pasta, and my very expensive tea that Leon doesn't know how much it costs. It's not that expensive. Over here we've got the sink and the fruit bowl. We don't use this sink. Wastewater, fresh water, gas, all the essentials. Here is where the other stuff is kept, the chairs, the noodles, and then in the back. So that was my van tour. I hope I can look back on this and think, wow, that was such a good van. It was kind of dumb, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.